Hi, let's talk today about State of JavaScript, NPM and several words about JavaScript Games. I'm Anatol and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. The State of JS 2017 results are live. According to it, the JavaScript world is richer and messier than ever. There is no surprise, React ecosystem as always runs frontend and in its turn Express runs backend. But by 2018 this chart might end up looking very different. Daniel Borowski muses about the future of JavaScript. In his view, the future of JavaScript will be less JavaScript. Upturn in Elm, Rust and WebAssembly is changing the face of web development. You can access to his thoughts on codeburst.io. In the article Memory, Don't Forget to Take Out the Garbage by Katie Fenn, you'll read about how memory is allocated and how memory is freed. You'll find this information regarding memory leaks, forgotten timers, global variables, WebAssembly and garbage collection under the hood. One more curious source of information is JS Mythbusters. This project is a JavaScript optimization handbook from a high-level point of view. It promises to teach you how to use JS language features without losing performance. Take a look. Matt's show Totally Tooling Tips makes whirlwind tour of their favorite web development tools from 2017. You can get familiar with these tools in this holiday special episode. How is React different from Vue? John Hanna predicts Vue to become the second most popular framework till the end of 2018 and proposes to learn it better. But you won't see in this article more complex examples than typical Hello World. Designed for Browserless is a glimpse into the future of web development. In this article, you can find out what creates a feeling of app-like experience and appropriate solutions proposed by progressive web applications. James Thoms published an interview titled Design at Scale – How Industry Leaders Leverage Design Systems on Envision blog. In this post, several design experts share their thoughts on design systems and their predictions for the future. NPM updated their naming rules. On the one hand, they want to prevent another left-part story. On the other hand, they're fighting against so-called type squatting. This is a situation when a malicious package is named very similar to a popular package, for example, with a minor one-letter change. Read more on the NPM blog. One more news regarding NPM was not proven by TJ. This is a small tool to remove unnecessary files from node modules such as Markdown, TypeScript source files, etc. It might cure a black hole in your node modules directory. The 5th annual game jam titled Game of 2017 has been finished and winners have been announced. The theme this year was Throwback, and jammers created over 200 games, from retro fight simulators to old-school Game Boy games. Have a look. Let's come to the last point for today, this time a JS robot by Real Halil. In this video game, you need to drive your robot using JavaScript. Enjoy! If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and stay curious!